I'm going to do an import with a different spreadsheet. And let me open up that spreadsheet to show you which is the one that I'm going to use. So I'm going to use, okay, so I'm going to import this right here. Okay, now I'm going to go to import. Okay, I'm going to go to Invoices, select my sample invoice spreadsheet, select on file, import. Okay, so it's a good example. So I used my own spreadsheet that doesn't automatically map. So I have to do my own mapping. So I think this is important to use. So reference number would be invoice number. Customer would be customer name. Transaction date, invoice date. Due date, due date. See what else we got here? Location. So we're going to need line item. There you go. So line item, that would be item. Description, description. Quantity, quantity. Rate, rate. Line amount, amount. So open that spreadsheet again for some context so we know what we're looking at. So we're importing this. We're importing this invoice spreadsheet that we have here that contains all that information, and then we mapped it into Transaction Pro. Then I'm going to click on Preview and Import. Good. Let me go to Options. Let QuickBooks auto-assign invoice numbers. Fine. Do not add items. Yeah, that's fine. Let's see. Do not add customers. So that's not checked. Fine. Okay, I think that should work. So let's go into Import. Yes. Okay. There you go. Your data was imported successfully. So let's take a look at the invoices that we just imported, which are these that we see here. So I'm going to click on one of them. And there it is. Let me open the spreadsheet. So that's right here. Karuna. So the one thing that's worth pointing out is that in my spreadsheet, the invoice number was 1004. In QuickBooks, invoice number is 8889 because we told it we didn't want to match invoice numbers. We told that we wanted QuickBooks to assign the invoice number based on its natural sequence. Okay? So let's go ahead and close that. Great. All right. So let's do the next import.